let's unbox this mini camera tripod from Ulanzi. This model is the MT-47. It is all metal, features an Arca Swiss quick release system, and you can also use it as a selfie stick. Today on Markus Presents. The packaging is simple. Here on the side, it lists the main features, namely that it has a quick release system, the pole is extendable, and then it says that the device is prolongable, whatever that means. If you do know what it means, please put it in the comments. On the back of the package, it very helpfully indicates that there is no camera included in the box. As we open up the box, we find the instruction manual, and no, it doesn't open like that. Let's start over. The instruction manual simply highlights some of the main features of the device and also indicates the length of the extension pole. Inside the box, there is a bag of bubble wrap with 2 Allen wrenches in different sizes. This should have been a paper envelope instead. This is completely unnecessary packaging. Inside the package, there is also a quality assurance badge, the Ulanzi Qualified Certificate. It reads, "Upon inspection and test, this product is qualified." Well, good to know. Then we have the tripod itself, lodged in this foam insert pretty tightly. A black product on a black table doesn't really work, so let's switch to my desk. Here are the main features of this Ulanzi tripod. We have the cold shoe on the side, and we'll check that out a little bit later. You can extend the pole, which adds 170 millimeter of height to the tripod. You can also separate the legs of the selfie stick and place this device on a table as a tripod. At the very top, we find the quick release plate, and the receiver here is an Arca Swiss type receiver. The idea here is that you screw this small plate onto your camera or other device that you want to attach, and then you insert it into the receiver and tighten it with a screw. We'll look at a few examples in a moment. The unlocking lever on the side really unlocks everything on the top of the tripod, including the ball head and the panning function as well. That means that you can put your camera in any orientation you want, including mounting your camera vertically. The quick release plate has a standard 1/4 inch 20 screw, the same type that you would find on the bottom of many cameras, including this webcam, for example, as well as this phone mount. And of course, also real cameras. We'll come to that in just a moment. If you want to attach the quick release plate very tightly, use the included Allen wrench. Now you can attach your device with the quick release plate to the Arca Swiss receiver. By tightening the screw, you'll be able to attach your device real securely. Now let's have a look at how this system will work with my Canon M50. My camera already has a SmallRig camera cage attached to it. This cage has numerous 1/4 inch 20 holes on all sides, which I could use to attach the quick release plate supplied in the Ulanzi box. But this camera cage also has a built-in Arca Swiss plate, and this is actually one reason why I bought this tripod. And what this means in practice is that I can insert the bottom of the cage directly into the Arca Swiss receiver on top of the tripod and tighten. Now you can use this flexible tripod as a selfie stick as well. And because it is made out of all metal, I feel much more comfortable using this than my plastic tripod, especially if I want to attach heavier accessories like a light, for example. Speaking of accessories, it's really easy to attach additional gear to the tripod because of the cold shoe mount. Here, for example, I'm using it for this mini shotgun microphone. And the mount also rotates, so you'll be able to make sure that the microphone is always pointing in the right direction. My first impression of the Ulanzi MT-47 tripod is really positive, and I'm looking forward to using it to film my airline review videos. In fact, I'm going to link to one of those videos on the end screen. Learn more about the specifications, pricing, and availability with a link in the description below the video. I also have another Ulanzi tripod. This is the MT-34. It's lighter and it comes with a built-in phone clamp. Click or tap the screen up here to watch my full video about this tripod, and click or tap the screen down here to watch that airline review video that I mentioned. Thank you very much for watching Markus Presents.